An Introduction to Ojibwe Mowing by Michael Lyons. Well, you know what? I think you did a really nice job. $13. Ojiberish. You know what? Why don't you put in a link on the on this video? People can just link over and buy it. I don't want people to think this is just like an infomercial for my books. If we do anything, I just want to just tell them that it's not an Ojibwe language reference book. A Banana BOOZHOO book, if you want to learn Ojibwe language and be able to reference quick sentences and stuff, Banana BOOZHOO is the book for that. Ojiberish is like a coffee table book. If you like the artwork, there's a lot of great art. And then in the back, there's the little cutie story. Yeah, I thought I'd call it Nana BOOZHOO's Ojibwe Word of the Week. Yeah, the book review of the week. We've already done 2 this week. People are going to be annoyed. Let's just do a little back and forth. I don't know. I really don't know. Maybe something, you know, at any point here, this could be just started as a cold open. And then you could get into, what's your problem? She's sad. Somebody wrote in on Facebook and complained that we didn't do an Ojibwe word of the day yesterday. She thinks I don't like her singing. I told her I didn't think it was about her. No, it's not you at all. I mean, it's us. People love your contributions. They love your songs. And it has nothing to do with you. It's just that people kind of expect Nana BOOZHOO to talk about Ojibwe. And, you know, I mean, we do call it a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. But, you know, that's just part of it. They like the songs. I think they're just, they just expect more Ojibwe language instruction. Some people are actually learning, you know, phrases and stuff. All right, let me just do this then. BOOZHOO ni Janashanabe. Welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And apparently this week, and also about Michael Lyons' books. This one's called Ojiberish, and it's on sale for Amazon. It's on sale on Amazon for $13. Oh, it's got an alien on the cover. So, Michael, tell us, what's the deal with the alien? What do you call him? His name is Steven, and yeah, he pops up a lot. So why do you have an alien in a book about Ojibwe language? Honestly? Yeah, honestly. Aliens are just really easy to draw. It's kind of like drawing Spider-Man without the makeup. Oh yeah, I suppose. Okay. You gonna be okay? And there you have it, folks. Ojiberish by Michael Lyons. Hey, you know what? Maybe we can put a link in the description. A link over and buy your book. Eh. Okay, well, just want to say, miigwech. Miigwech for watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and Michael Lyons' books. Eh. I will see you again. Kiga waba min, minawa hawa. Yeah, nicely done there, Niji.